Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Kawasaki Concours 1400 Supersport Touring. Traction control, ABS brakes. It's got a tall smoked windscreen, heated grips. This thing is a powerhouse. Shaft drive, no chain to mess with. It's got the locking side cases. You can remove those. Come on by, make your hypersport touring dreams come true for just $11,499. It's only got 5,600 miles on it. This bike is not going to be here long. You know what it can do. Come on by and check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web. www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.